Welcome to The Great Fruit Show, where we explore the yummy world of fruits. Today, we are going to meet some amazing fruits. Hello, everyone. I'm Apple, your juicy and crunchy friend. I come in red, green, I'm packed with vitamins. I'm Mango, the king of fruits. I'm packed with vitamins and a touch of tropical magic. Whether you're munching on me. I'm Kiwi, the little fruit with a big taste. I've got a tangy kick and a pop of green that makes every bite exciting. I'm Banana, the tropical delight that's perfect for any time of day. With my sweet taste and handy peel, I'm always ready for a snack or to add a touch of sweetness to your meals. Hi, everyone. I'm Orange, the juicy and tangy fruit that's full of sunshine. I'm packed with vitamin C. I'm Watermelon, the giant fruit with a sweet surprise inside. My juicy red flesh and refreshing taste make me the perfect choice. I'm Pineapple, the juicy and zesty fruit that makes every bite an adventure. From my sweet taste to my fun, spiky exterior. I'm Grapes, the little fruit with a lot of flavor. I come in red, green, and purple, and I'm great for popping in your mouth or making into a delicious juice. I'm Pears, your sweet and juicy friend. With my smooth texture and delightful flavor, I'm perfect for a tasty snack. I'm Plum, your fruity friend with a juicy twist. With my sweet and slightly tart flavor, I come in shades of red, purple, and yellow. I'm Strawberry, your sweet and tangy friend. I come with tiny seeds and a burst of juicy flavor that makes every bite a delight. I'm Papaya, the exotic fruit with a deliciously sweet twist. I'm perfect for adding a splash of tropical flavor to your dishes or enjoying all by myself. I'm Guava, your sweet and tangy friend from the tropics. With my vibrant color and juicy texture, I'm great for smoothies. I'm Star Fruit, the fruit with a starry twist. My sweet and tangy flavor, along with my star-shaped slices, make me a fun. I'm Cherry, your sweet and delightful buddy. With my vibrant red color and juicy goodness, I'm great for topping treats or enjoying on my own. I'm Custard Apple, the creamy and sweet delight. My soft, custard-like texture and unique flavor make me a delicious treat all on my own or in desserts. I'm Dragon Fruit, your tropical treat with a burst of color and flavor. My sweet and mildly tangy taste, along with my eye-catching look. I'm Lychee, your tropical delight with a juicy twist. My sweet, fragrant flesh and unique texture make me a perfect snack. I'm Pomegranate, the fruity treasure with a burst of juicy seeds inside. My tangy sweetness and crunchy texture. I'm Muskmelon, your fruity delight with a sweet and subtle taste. My juicy, aromatic flesh makes me a perfect